Struggling to balance your love for gaming and staying fit? You're not alone. This will revolutionize the way you stay fit. Remember the days of being glued to your Xbox? Well, I've taken that childhood passion and combined it with fitness to make one device to rule them all. The problem with traditional workouts is they lack engagement, making it hard to stick to a routine. But here's the twist. Combining something you love, like gaming, with something healthy, like exercise, can be a life changer. This method, known as temptation building, will transform your workout. Imagine playing your favorite games and powering through a workout, getting yourself healthier by the minute with a 43-inch TV, an Xbox, and this exercise bike. For years, I struggled with enjoying cardio in the winter. When it's cold outside and miserable, I definitely don't want to be out there. But this is a perfect solution. Exercise feels like a chore, especially when it's just you and the bike. But what if I told you there was a way to make it incredibly fun? I took matters into my own hands and built this. By integrating video games into my workout, I now have powerful motivation to exercise. It's not just about burning calories, it's about reaching the next level, both in life and in the game. The hardest part of this whole setup is mounting the TV just right. And unfortunately, I have concrete walls, but I bet you at home will have a much easier time with wood-framed walls mounting a TV. Even though mounting the TV was hard, it has been worth the reward. There were moments of frustration, but here's the result: a custom gaming Peloton. My favorite way to use this setup is in the morning right before doing a lift. It's amazing how this setup can light up your brain and your body first thing in the morning. I haven't found a better way to wake up in the morning yet. This setup helps you look forward to workout and not dread it. This whole setup requires just a few parts. A game console. I prefer the Xbox Series S because it's nice and slim, so it fits behind the wall. This Echelon EX5 smart bike can be had for $359 on sale sometimes. And then this is a 42-inch LG 120Hz display, so you feel immersed in the action. Most people say this exercise bike is even as good as Peloton's. So for $359 sometimes a year, you cannot beat it. To find the best deals on this stuff, I recommend using Camel. It's an online website that tracks the price of Amazon products through time, so you can kind of guess when the best deals will be. Like I said before, this nice TV, an Xbox, and this bike will cost you less than a brand new Peloton. And the crazy thing is, you can watch movies, play games, and do all sorts of stuff you can never do on a Peloton. And even you can watch Peloton's actual classes on this TV. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other videos on more ways to improve your life. All the products used in this video will be linked down in the description. Stay fit, stay fun, and we'll see you in the next video.